What is up, sis? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Kensha and welcome. So I am on my way to Little Rock to see if I can find the new Bath and Body Works collection, the summer collection. So candles, body care, whatever I can find. So if you guys are interested, then stay tuned. Okay, sis, so I was able to get some things from the new summer collection and I'm super ecstatic. I got 4 candles, I got some body care. I also ordered some things online because today they are doing $6.50 on select body care, and that includes the new summer collection. So if you have not already checked that out, make sure you go online because it is today only, which is Mother's Day. And you also get free shipping if you have an order over $50. So let's just jump right into my little mini haul of all the little things I got from the new collection. So starting off, I got rainbow confetti. Y'all, look at this tie-dye packaging. I am obsessed. Obsessed with it. Scent notes of rainbow confetti are rainbow sprinkles, vanilla cake, buttercream frosting, fruity cereal crunch, and natural essential oils. Y'all, this smells so bomb. It kind of gives me like Fruit Loop or Fruity Pebble vibes. I can't really distinguish which one it smells like, but to me it smells like one of those. I feel like it more so smells like Fruity Pebbles. But it smells good. It smells just like cereal. That is so crazy. It's like a sweet cereal. So of course Fruity Pebbles and Fruit Loops are sweet cereals, but y'all, this is delicious. And you guys are seeing me like without any makeup. This is like raw Kensha. Had to just like run to the store and see what they had. Next up, I got blue raspberry snow cone. This was one I was really excited about. Love the packaging. This reminds me of those red, white, and blue popsicles. I'll try to insert a picture of what I'm talking about, but this packaging reminds me just of those popsicles. So the scent notes of this is blue raspberry syrup, a hint of cherry, scoop of shaved ice. Y'all, I love me a good snow cone in the summertime, especially like kind of like right now, right before it hits summer. Like it's good. Here in Arkansas, the weather is kind of like wish-washy, so like once it hits 80 degrees, I'm like, I need me a snow cone. Oh my god, this literally smells like a snow cone. It's like making my mouth water. This smells like a juicy raspberry snow cone that's going to have your whole mouth and teeth and tongue blue. This smells just like it. This smells delicious. So that was blueberry snow cone. Once again, I also picked up firecracker pop. This is one I was excited about because I saw a lot of photos of it on the internet. The scent notes are red cherry, fresh citrus, and juicy berry. Of course, the American flag packaging. This smells good, but this kind of reminds me of a like a little icy, like a cherry Coke icy, but it's white. That's what this smells like to me. You can typically get one of those like little ices from like Subway or like a gas station. They're kind of like, I think people call them like Slurpees or something like that, but I call them ices. I think it kind of just depends on where you're from, but this smells just like a white cherry Slurpee, icy, whatever you want to call it. But this smells like that to me. Smells really good. I'm really surprised at all these candles. Like, these all smell delicious. They smell like summertime. The last candle I got, cereal and cartoons. Another packaging with the kind of like iridescence of ta-da. I really like it. Scent notes of cereal and cartoons is toasted cinnamon, crunchy cereal, ice cold milk, and sugar crystals. To me, this smells like honey bunches of oats. That's the almond kind. That's what it smells like to me. I think I read online that people were saying this smells like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I can see that too, but I feel like this smells like honey toasted, what did I say it was? Honey toasted crunch. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, this smells good. This literally smells like what it says, crunchy cereal. So I was able to get those candles for buy two, get two free at my store. Next up in this bag, I got the new body care. So I did order, like I said, items from the new collection online. I ordered Firecracker Pop, Midnight Swim, Bonfire and Bash. What else did I order? Midnight Summer, and the Body Mist. I pretty much ordered like the whole collection. But these are the pieces of the collection that I did not get. So you guys will be seeing a haul soon of the new summer collection. I got Grapefruit Frozen. Look at that. Look at that little flamingo with the drink. Okay. So scent notes are sparkling grapefruit, frozen rosé, sunsplash sugar. So this is going to be a drink. It's going to be like a grapefruit, sugary type of drink. Let me see what this smells like. This actually smells really good. I get a grapefruit. The grapefruit is very prominent. It's really citrusy. But you also get the alcohol in it. Like the rosé. I'm gonna spray it on my skin. I like this one. This smells like summer, especially if you're into those citrus type of scents. This is going to be perfect for that. I also picked up the lotion in Grapefruit Frozen. This is one of those scents that I could not find online. They only had like one of each of the items. So they only had this scent in the body wash. Next up, I picked up Midnight Swim. That's what she looks like. I love the tower in the back and just the water. It just looks like, you know, like literally like a night at the beach. So scent notes are blue waters, beach flower, and fresh coastal air. Now I ordered this scent online, so I went to the store and was able to get the lotion. This is very, very light, soft. You definitely get the beach flower. This is like a fresh, light floral. It smells so good. Oh, this is like one of those scents, another scent that you can wear at night. This is going to be like one of those relaxing night out at the beach, just walking, you know, on the beach. This is that scent. At least I think so. Next up, I got another lotion. This is Midsummer Dream. Scent notes are salted pear, fresh nectarine, and seaside lily. Look at that cute packaging. Oh, and I love the blue cap. I did not even notice that at first. Super cute. It just looks like a hot day at the beach. So this is another lotion I got. I'm going to put a little bit on. Try to rub it in. Oh, this is light. This kind of reminds me of Magnolia Charm. It's like a light floral. And you get a little bit of that pear, but I don't get any nectarine. This is pretty. This is a light scent. This is super pretty. I like this one. Next up, I got Denim and Daisies. I was super excited about this one. This is one that I really, really, really wanted. Scent notes are sweet daisy, sun-washed denim, and summer citrus. And I'm like, does sun-washed denim smell like when back in the day, like if you washed your clothes and you let your clothes hang on the, a clothesline and you let it dry? I was like, I wonder if it smells like that. But this is the packaging. It has the pretty glitter top. Obsessed. And for some reason this packaging just reminds me of like the early 2000s, like when people would wear like those gold belly chains with the bell-bottom jeans. This is just giving me those kinds of vibes. Oh, this kind of has like a powdery note to me. Okay, so I don't get any floral, but I do get the citrus, the summer citrus. But to me, it kind of smells like it has like a powdery note. I have to wait till it dries down. Okay, so I like this one. It's super light, like I do smell the daisies as it's drying down. I was thinking I was going to smell that at first, but I actually smelled the citrus first. So to me, this is more of a light citrus floral note. It's good. It's lightweight. It would be perfect for the summer. I think actually this whole line, so far from what I smelled, all of these scents are going to be perfect for those super hot days and those super cool nights in the summer. Like, this collection is screaming summer to me. So let me know down below what you are excited about. If you are excited about this new summer line, or are you just gonna wait to purchase it, or are you gonna purchase it soon? Let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.